What's up guys, it's your boy Shadain here, and today we're back with another video on the channel. And today's video will be talking about the new app called Threads. Now I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about this app, and it's been out for the last couple of days. It's been out 2 days exactly, and I want to talk to you guys about the app itself in general, just overview of what the app has brought to the table. I don't want to get too much in detail. I just want to go over some of the features that this app has so far, and some of the features I think they should improve on and add to the app in near future for it to become a big or better app versus what it is now. Now let's dive into that and let's get into the video itself. What is it, guys? Now, as of right now, once Thread came out, it enabled all its Instagram users to basically port their information from Instagram all the way to Thread by easily just downloading the app and then going to the main screen, and it will just basically show you your username and basically tell you if you want to add a new bio or a new description. You can basically port everything from Instagram through the app, which is pretty good and bad at the same time, because you need to have an Instagram profile to have a Thread account. You cannot separate them. They are linked forever. So if you wanted to delete your Thread account, you cannot. You are stuck with having a Thread account, or Threads account, sorry. Now that's good and bad at the same time. So if I wanted to, let's say, delete my Thread account, I could not. So that's a bad thing. A lot of people have been saying that they wish they could delete it and keep just their Instagram profile. But basically, if you have Instagram, you already have a Thread account. You just need to download the app. So pretty nifty. So once you get into the app, you will basically still get notified of all your friends. You can basically start following every single friend that you've had from Instagram right on this new app. Instagram, or Zuckerberg, basically has made it so it's easier to follow anybody that you were following on Instagram and just port over your following, but it won't transfer your following from Instagram. You'll basically starting fresh with new followers. So this is a new start for persons who are wanted to get big on social media and wanted to use this as a tool to promote their content. So I say, if you want to basically start growing, start now, posting, interacting with a lot of people, and so forth. Now we're going to be diving to the phone and talk about some of these features. We're going to be switching over to my phone screen. I'll be having it here, somewhere here, so you guys can see what I am basically going through. Now, once you open up the app, the first thing you'll be seeing is just your homepage. Now, once you see your homepage, this is basically just what you've tread, as they say, and then you have your reply tab. Now you can go back to Instagram by hitting that Instagram logo there, and you can go to the art icon on the bottom to see what persons have basically interacted with you, liked your post. Everything will be at that heart icon. You can post by the middle icon, which is like a note that basically lets you write a new thread to anybody and so forth. You have the search tab, which this is one of the big things I said is lacking. They need to have an explore tab, just like how Instagram had an explore tab. This does not have an explore tab. So I think they need to add this to the app so people can find persons they want to find much easier, or not find, but meet random accounts on the explore tab. That's what I'm saying they're lacking. Now, when you go to the homepage, you'll be meted with two things. You'll be meted with, one, persons you are following, and two, random probably niche stuff that's in your following group or things that you're interested in. Now, this is not 100% proven. When I just started the app, I just saw random stuff that I was not even interested in. The app doesn't let you pick your audience that you would like, versus like when you jump on the app, you would say, oh, I like photography, I like gaming, or I just like anything. And you'll pick, it doesn't give you that option. So I think picking an option of what niche you are in helps with the niche you want to see on your feed, because you just don't want to see a random bunch of tweets from any stranger. You want to see what you like, what you want to see every single day. So I think that's a necessary feature that's supposed to be implemented in the app. Now, the next feature I would love for them to implement would be a way to switch between, let's say you have 2 Thread accounts, you would be able to just hit like the bottom and switch between 2 Thread accounts, which would be nice. With this method now, you just have to log out and log back into the other one, which is kind of a pain in my opinion. I do not want to have to log out. Now, once you go to your own page, let's just go back to some of the features. You're gonna hit the 2 lines. You have about, help, language, accounts, privacy, notification, whatever, and this just lets you see like what replies you want to, like, it just customizes how many notifications you would like, which is pretty self-explanatory. I've never messed with those before, so if you really want to have excessive notifications, you can do that if you wanted to. Privacy, if you want to block somebody, the whole works. And then you can go over to your profile, which, well, not your profile yet, but the globe, where you will see, if you want to private your profile, you will see mentions. If you click that, it will say everyone. You can allow that. You can mute certain stuff. You'll say hidden words, profile to follow, profiles you follow, and stuff like that, and it will show you. And then you have block and hide likes as well. So these are a couple of features that it has so far. And then if we go into the edit profile, you'll see basically the same thing what I was telling you. So when you port over your account, it will lock your username from Instagram in there. You cannot change that, which is sad. But you will still have you can put a new bio if you like, or you can basically take the one from Instagram, and then you can take your links and everything that you've had on Instagram, which is kind of nice if you want to port them over, because you don't have to write all new things. So I would say that's convenient. But some of the things I say we should improve on are getting that account to be able to switch between different accounts, giving us an explore tab, having ways to niche down on what you want to see on your profile. That's one of the things I really want to see. But other from that, this app is okay so far. It's pretty much engaging in somewhat way. It's just like Twitter, exactly like Twitter, if not the same, because it's basically a Twitter competitor, and its goal is to basically compete with that space of a text-based app. You can post photos, and I say this is a new way of growing your following in the first beginning of the video, because this will definitely push your business, your portfolio, whatever you're doing, to this new audience that is jumping on to this new app. Instagram, you were either posting reels or you were posting photos. With this, you can now communicate and message with people and post your photos and videos on here, which is Thread, to the vast majority of people that has never seen your content before. So I say this is a new way of promoting and socializing with people. So I think it's a good app so far, but it needs a lot of work to be the best app, or a better app from Twitter, if you get what I'm saying. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like this one, just giving my overview of this app and talking about some of the things that this app has. But that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.